Yeah, I myself, Rachna, and I studied my undergrad in Coventry University, and Venkatsa has guided me through that. Currently, I'm doing my master's in supply chain management at HEC Montreal in Canada. Yeah, and Venkat sir, I have known Venkat sir since like in my +1, +2. Actually, my sister has gone to UK, and she has struggled a lot doing all the applications, admissions, visas, and everything. And she has no clue about the SAT, IELTS. She has to do it everything in the last minute. So she told me it was not so easy. And I was so scared when I finished my 10th grade and I wanted to go for my undergrad. I was like really, really scared. I don't know anything about it, though I have my sister, but she's far away. She's in UK. She can't really actually sit and guide me. So I was really scared about that. But then I met Venkat sir in my +1, +2 in Fiji. He was my teacher, mentor. He advised me. He has guided me through every step. So I have written SAT and IELTS, and I'm a very bad student at academics, very, very bad at student at academics. And was my scariest and the toughest subject I could do. I was not prepared for the math. So I very lack in basics of maths too at that time. When I've seen the SAT maths, I was really scared. But Venkat sir has literally taught me from the basics, and uh, how many times I've ever asked the same question also. He used to explain it with a lot of patience. Today, the whatever the math foundation I'm having, it's because of just him. The maths, it really sucks. My math really sucks. So the whatever like he has guided not only in my maths, but also while doing my application through like while writing my SOPs. I have no clue how to write SOPs like any other student, law student. Actually, to be honest, like I have met few of my seniors before meeting Venkat sir. I heard about him a lot, that he's a very workaholic, and he does things on point. If you give 1%, he does 100%. I heard from the one of seniors when I'm in college. So when I met him, and I have literally seen that in him. I've seen the information he has regarding the universities, the knowledge regarding the different countries. Uh, the I was really surprised to I have heard it, and it was exactly the same when I have seen him. Uh, and I also heard that he's a very friendly person, friendly mentor that any person can have, like any student can have. So, and I have seen that in the first meeting itself. I still remember the days I have prepared for my SAT and IELTS. For my SAT exam, we used to like when the exam period is really near, we used to work really hard. He used to give us breaks like in between breaks, and we are a bit stressed for the exam, but at the same time we used to work a lot, and we used to sit till 11 o'clock, and with us he used to sit till 11 p.m. at night, and he used to come back early in the morning at 8 p.m. I have never seen such a dedicated teacher, never ever in my life, from my whole life journey. And whenever, like, how many, like, as I mentioned before, like, how many ever times, like, I used to ask a question, like, math question, or if I ask English one, he used to, uh, he used to just say it from the basics so that I could understand better and don't come for the same doubt again, so that I'll get the new doubts. And he used to complain if we don't have any doubts. It's just not me. It's like all my friends. He used to complain a lot. He used to literally suspect on us if we are not working or not, if you don't have doubts. So he's the person. Come for the doubts. I'll explain you. He has given that space. No matter what the time is, no matter what it is, just come to me for your doubts. I'll clear it up. So such a workaholic person, and he made us like me also a very hardworking person at that time. He had pushed my 100%, there were the days like I have been lazy, but he used to be a very strict. I know he's a friendly mentor, but when it comes to, you know, at the end of the exam period, he's strict. He is strict when he has to be, and yeah, so that really uh, has made me improve my math skill set. And when it comes to IELTS, like I have no clue about what SAT and IELTS are first. So from the initial every step, from like my English, even the English doubts, um, we used to do 3-4 practice sessions every day for the IELTS. You know, he used to take speaking for us few times whenever he's free, or he's doing the listening test whenever he's free. Like he used to make time for ourselves. It's not just free. He used to make time for us, and he used to uh, make us practice a lot. That made me score really well in IELTS. To universities, I have no clue which university to go, like no knowledge about any university. So I was literally with a blank face. Like so he has educated me regarding the universities, like saying these universities are I just picked business for my undergrad. So he asked me to do his research. He has given me a few websites regarding doing the research. Then I have done my research, and he suggested me few universities, and the one of the suggested university was Coventry. So he asked me to look at the Coventry University, and I have seen it, and I have thought that this is the university that I wanted. You know, like even the he's just not only sees the academics, but he also sees the place where we live. You know, it should be safe for students and everything, right? Because we are far from home. So he also sees that he also sees the other factors that we have to see. So I never had a dream university, like a specific university, but I always dreamt of having like something academically good, and like the place and the student life, everything should be good, and I'm able to make a few friends, and it should be safe. I have a bit of checklist, and Coventry University has met everything, and he has given a few other universities too, but I picked Coventry to my convenience. So yeah. Application process, like I have literally zero knowledge about the application process. I don't have any knowledge about the application process. So sir has just told me to write the SOP initially, and after I had written few mistakes because it was my first time. I don't know how to write a SOP. That was my first time. So he has corrected my SOP, and he told me to change it, and I changed it. And then after finishing my SOP, he has told these are the steps we have to do. There is a platform called UCAS for the UK universities, and the max universities you could apply is 5. So for the each one, he has made me get the each document. Like he has given me the list of the documents, to what documents all I need. So I have got the list of documents. Then like every step, it's just from the SOP to getting the documents, then the application, to checking my portals and everything. He has literally guided me in every step, whatever, like all the doubts, everything. He has literally he sat beside me, and he has done it. So and when it comes to visa applications and all, as a 17-18-year-old, I don't have any knowledge about the visas too, obviously, right? So with that too, like he sat beside, and he made me finish all the UK visa applications and everything. It was late night, but he did it, and it was approved. The best quality, like I guess Aaigen has, is Venkat sir knows the student capability and how much he's working hard. and how much like a student can go. The maximum he by seeing a person, he just by seeing a single small test result, or by speaking to the person, he's a very good at analyzing how much potential a student has. That is one of the best quality. And sir always is not a person who's just you have to work for the professional, just he's not a very professional person. Like, it's not a time to time thing. He's a very workaholic person, and he puts heart and everything into it while doing it. It's he just don't feel it, I guess he just don't feel it as work, but he just see the students future in it. That's I really adore the work he does. It comes from heart. It really comes from heart. But other consultancies, it's just for the money. Like, it's your work is done. If you do it, the work is done. Like, they'll throw you into some other university. No, he's not that kind. Like, he'll suggest you the best universities and everything. So top 2 3, they are not the Aaigen University is not commercial. They are just passionate and they work with heart. That's the first one. And sir is a person who just brings out the best in students. And I am one of, like, when I am doing my SATs and IELTS, he has got my best out of it. So he's that person, and he's a very friendly mentor. He's not a person. He's strict when he has to be, but apart from that, he's a very friendly person. Of course, I did recommend, and few of them are studying with you still. So it's just not one. Like 2, 3 of my cousins are still studying with Venkat sir, because I know his work. I know his. He just puts his 100%, and he'll make you put his 100% when he's into it.